In the boundless realm of the internet, prosperity is but a click away. Welcome to the age of online side hustles. Today, we're living in a world where the internet has become as ubiquitous as the air we breathe and the water we drink. It has seeped into every nook and cranny of our lives, transforming the way we interact, learn, and most importantly, the way we earn. Imagine this. You've just finished your 9-to-5 job, you're tired, and you're yearning for something more. What if, instead of sinking into your couch and binge-watching your favorite series, you could put your time to better use and earn some extra cash? That's exactly what an online side hustle offers. In the digital age, your location, your background, or your financial status doesn't limit your earning potential. All you need is a device, an internet connection, and a sprinkle of determination. And the best part? Many of these side hustles require no initial investment. That's right, no capital, no fancy equipment, nothing, just you, your skills, and the World Wide Web. Think about it. The internet is home to over 4 billion users. That's over half the world's population, and each one of them is a potential customer, client, or consumer. The opportunities are endless, limited only by your imagination and willingness to seize them. So, what are these side hustles we're talking about? Well, they range from freelance writing, virtual assisting, online tutoring, managing social media, affiliate marketing, to participating in online surveys and testing. Each one of them harnesses a different skill set, caters to a different audience, and offers a different kind of satisfaction. But remember, like any other endeavor, online side hustles require dedication, commitment, and most importantly, patience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to supplement your income, gain experience, and even discover new passions. With the right mindset, the digital world is your oyster, waiting for you to pry it open and discover the pearls within. So, are you ready to dive in? Words have power, and in the digital age, they have value too. Welcome to the world of freelance writing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is freelance writing? Well, it's as simple as it sounds. Freelance writers are independent contractors who sell their writing skills to create content for others. This could mean writing blog posts, articles, white papers, social media posts, and even books. The beauty of freelance writing is that it's incredibly flexible. You can write from anywhere, at any time, and about pretty much anything. And the best part, it requires no monetary investment to start. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a knack for stringing words together in a meaningful, engaging way. But where can you find work as a freelance writer? There are numerous platforms out there. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have thousands of writing jobs posted daily. You can also try pitching directly to companies or networking in your niche to find potential clients. So, what can you earn as a freelance writer? Well, that largely depends on your skills, experience, and the type of writing you're doing. But to give you a ballpark figure, beginners might earn around $10 to $20 per hour, while more experienced writers can easily command $50 per hour or more. Now, let's talk about the skills you need to be a successful freelance writer. First and foremost, you need strong writing skills. This includes impeccable grammar, a solid grasp of language, and the ability to write clearly and concisely. Research skills are also key, as you'll often need to dig into a topic to write about it effectively. Finally, punctuality is crucial. Meeting deadlines is a non-negotiable part of the job, and consistently delivering high-quality work on time will help you build a strong reputation in the field. With nothing but your words and your determination, freelance writing can be a profitable venture. It's a side hustle that not only pays, but also allows you to explore your creativity, learn about new topics, and connect with people all over the world. So why not give it a shot? You've got nothing to lose, and potentially a whole lot to gain. In a world increasingly run by digital platforms, being a virtual assistant can be a lucrative side hustle. Imagine yourself as the invisible force that keeps an organization running smoothly. You're the one who organizes schedules, manages emails, books travel, conducts research, and so much more. You're a virtual assistant, and your office is everywhere. Work from the comfort of your home, a bustling coffee shop, or a tranquil beach. The world is your office. As a virtual assistant, you'll need to be a Jack or Jill of all trades. You're the go-to person for a variety of tasks. Organizational skills will be your bread and butter. You'll need to manage your client's calendar, keep track of important deadlines, and ensure that everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Communication is another key skill. As a virtual assistant, you'll often be the first point of contact for your client's business. Your ability to communicate effectively and professionally will reflect on your client's brand. That means you'll need to be a wizard at customer service, answering emails, and making calls. Don't worry if you're not an expert at everything yet. There are plenty of resources available to help you hone these skills. And the best part? You can learn at your own pace. Now let's talk about earnings. The potential for income as a virtual assistant can vary greatly. It all depends on your skills, experience, and the clientele you serve. However, it's not uncommon for virtual assistants to earn between $20 and $50 an hour. Finding virtual assistant jobs is easier than ever. There are several platforms dedicated to connecting virtual assistants with clients. Websites like Upwork, Zirtual, and Belay are just a few examples. These platforms allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and apply for jobs that match your expertise. As a virtual assistant, you're the digital world's backbone, helping businesses run smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're looking for a full-time gig or a side hustle, the world of virtual assistants offers plenty of opportunities. So, why not take the leap and start your journey as a virtual assistant today? Knowledge is power, and in the online world, it can also be a source of income. Welcome to online tutoring. In this digital age, the demand for online tutoring is skyrocketing. It's an opportunity that allows you to share your knowledge with learners across the globe, right from the comfort of your home. So, how do you get started? First, you need to identify the subject you want to teach. It could be something you're professionally trained in, or even a hobby you're passionate about. The most sought-after subjects range from academics like math and science to skills such as programming, digital marketing, and even languages. Next, you need to choose a platform. There are numerous online tutoring platforms out there that connect tutors with learners. Some popular ones are Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and Wyzant. These platforms handle everything from student-tutor matching to payment processing, making your job as a tutor much easier. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to create a compelling profile. This is your chance to showcase your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Now, let's talk earnings. The amount you make as an online tutor can vary widely, depending on your subject, expertise level, and the platform you choose. But on average, online tutors can expect to earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour. But remember, being a successful online tutor requires more than just subject knowledge. Patience and communication skills are key. You'll often be working with students who are struggling, so being able to explain concepts in a clear, patient, and engaging way is crucial. And the best part? As an online tutor, you're not just earning money, you're also making a difference in someone's life, helping them learn and grow. It's a win-win situation. With a passion for teaching and a knack for communication, online tutoring can be your ticket to financial independence. In an era where social media rules, managing it can be a source of income. Enter the world of social media management. This is a bustling field that has taken the digital world by storm. Social media management is all about curating a brand's online presence across various platforms, from Facebook and Instagram to Twitter and LinkedIn. As a social media manager, you're the voice of a brand, engaging with followers, crafting compelling content, and monitoring trends to keep the brand relevant and impactful. Now you may ask, what skills do I need to become a social media manager? Well, for starters, creativity is king in this realm. You need to be able to think outside the box, creating engaging posts that captivate audiences and drive them to interact with the brand. Next, you need to have a solid understanding of trends. Social media is a fast-paced world, and what's hot today might be old news tomorrow. You need to have your finger on the pulse of the latest memes, viral videos, and trending topics to keep your content fresh and engaging. Organization is another essential skill. Juggling multiple social media accounts requires meticulous planning and scheduling. You'll also need to keep a close eye on analytics to measure your success and adjust your strategies accordingly. So, where can you find jobs as a social media manager? There are numerous platforms that connect freelancers with businesses in need of their services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. What about earnings? While it varies depending on your experience and the size of the company you're managing for, the potential for income is substantial. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a social media manager in the United States is around $63,000 a year. And that's not counting the potential for bonuses and profit sharing. If you have a pulse on what's trending and a knack for creative communication, social media management can be your goldmine. In a world driven by consumerism, promoting products can be a profitable side hustle. Welcome to affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote a company's products or services, and in return, you get a commission for every sale made through your referral. This is a win-win situation for both parties. The company gains more customers, and you, as an affiliate marketer, earn a profit without having to create a product from scratch. To dive into affiliate marketing, there are 3 key steps you need to take. First, choose a niche or industry that you're passionate about. This will make it easier for you to promote products authentically and effectively. Next, join an affiliate program. There are numerous programs out there, from Amazon Associates to Share a Sale. These platforms offer a wide array of products you can promote, and they handle all the tracking, payments, and customer service for you. Lastly, promote the products to your audience. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media accounts. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your audience, so share products that you genuinely believe in and that align with their interests. Now, let's talk about potential earnings. The sky's the limit when it comes to affiliate marketing. It all depends on your marketing skills, the size of your audience, and the commission rate of the products you're promoting. Some marketers make a few $100s a month, while others rake in thousands. However, it's important to note that success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires a deep understanding of marketing and sales, and the ability to build trust with your audience. It's not just about selling, it's about creating content that educates, entertains, and engages. So, if you're a savvy marketer with a good understanding of your audience's needs and wants, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom. With a good strategy and a knack for sales, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative side hustle. Your opinion matters, and in the digital world, it can also earn you money. Welcome to the world of online surveys and testing. While it may not make you a millionaire overnight, participating in online surveys and testing can add a nice little boost to your income. And the best part? It requires no money to start. All you need is a computer or smartphone, a reliable internet connection, and your unique thoughts and perspectives. Online surveys work by gathering information for market research. Companies are eager to learn what consumers think about their products and services, and they're willing to pay for this insight. That's where you come in. By sharing your opinions, you're not only influencing the future of these products, but also earning a little extra cash on the side. There are numerous platforms available where you can find online survey opportunities. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research are just a few examples. Each site operates a little differently, but the general process is the same. You sign up, complete surveys, and earn rewards, usually in the form of cash or gift cards. On the other hand, product testing involves trying out goods or services and providing feedback. Companies use this feedback to improve their offerings, and in return, you get compensated. Sometimes you even get to keep the product you're testing. Websites like User Testing, Product Testing USA, and Beta Testing are great places to start. The potential earnings from these side hustles can vary. For online surveys, you might earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey, depending on its length and complexity. Product testing, on the other hand, may pay more, but these opportunities may also be more sporadic. Remember, while this may not replace a full-time income, it can certainly provide a nice little supplement, and who knows, you might even find it fun to have your say in the business world. Your views can shape the business world, and with online surveys and testing, they can also shape your financial future.